affiliate marketing has one of the highest growth rates of internet marketing strategies. In the year 2020, affiliate marketing has had one of the fastest and most effective increases in internet marketing. Since there are so many changes on the internet, regular affiliate marketing has also changed its way of keeping up with these changes. It is good to ask yourself which trends are leading the world of affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Ramon Terrella, and in this video I'm going to teach you the main trends of affiliate marketing. Today, many trends are very different and at the same time dominate the world of what affiliate marketing is. Some of them change faster than others. Now I'm going to describe each of them for you. Number 1. Content plays a vital role. Affiliate marketing relies heavily on the type of content generated to promote a particular product or service. It is understood that content has been the element that performs integrally in the world of internet marketing and specifically in affiliate marketing. It is used to attract many people through social networks to the pages where products and services are sold. It is good to be clear that customers are the ones that provide the most contribution when it comes to affiliate marketing. Over many years, the type of content that has been created has seen many changes that have evolved along with the way people perceive the internet. This includes everything related to the text, images, and videos, including the visual combination of all of them. This content has changed continuously to keep the public involved in affiliate marketing over the years. Number 2. The use of voice search. Smartphones have been around for a long time, but the use of smartphones is being increasingly involved with the internet use. Devices such as Google Home and Alexa and applications such as Siri and Cortana are increasingly being used by the public to carry out their searches through voice. They are becoming very popular. It is also believed that many more searches are being done by voice than through written text nowadays. That's why affiliate marketing has adopted the use of voice to promote its product. Based on this, how searches and creation of marketing campaigns have been focused has changed to adapt to this new trend. Likewise, the content has become more localized since many companies sell the products locally. Therefore, affiliate marketing has adapted to this trend and has caused many sponsors or many affiliate marketing companies to provide the service of selling local products. Number 3. Influence marketing continues to grow. What is known as influencer marketing has taken off in a very impressive way in these years and has become a trend when it comes to affiliate marketing. All these people who are considered YouTube stars, for example, or Instagram stars, have looked for ways to monetize all their fame. Thanks to affiliate marketing, they have sold many products. All these people who are considered influencers have managed to gain the trust of their viewers and their audience for a long time. This has made their audience trust them a lot when it comes to the products they recommend. A large part of the influencer followers online bases their purchase decision only on what the influencers they follow recommend. People always search for the products they are interested in. They also have recommendations from the influencers, which make the product more valuable and more considered by people than any other product not recommended by these famous individuals. Number 4. Adaptation of native marketing. Marketing a product and selling it is not easy in many cases. The fact of placing it on the internet does not mean enough to generate many sales. It must go further. The methodology of what is known as native marketing must be used to generate these sales. Affiliate marketing has not escaped this. It has considered this to generate better results. What native marketing means is targeting an audience that would be more interested in buying a product and service. The probability of converting this audience into clients is higher since the interest it brings with it dramatically influences the result. Affiliates always try to create content based on their group of people interest. Instead of having a broad vision, they have a specific vision since it has been shown that doing this is more positive. Number 5. Creation of content optimized for mobile devices. Since the web has changed a lot, people are using their mobile phones to a large extent to surf the internet or do their shopping. Desktop computers are not being used as much as portable devices due to the ease and practicality that comes with it. Based on this, advertisers who market with products, precisely affiliate marketers, must create content that can be easily seen through these mobile devices. They must create a strategy based on these mobile devices if they want to generate sales. Everything related to the content and pages that are created and blogs must be compatible with all these mobile devices so that the user can have a pleasant experience and be able to feel the comfort of making purchases online. This optimization, which should be done to the content as well as to the landing pages where potential customers are sent, should focus on mobile devices to ensure that this audience, which has already become the majority of the internet public, is not lost. This should also be considered for optimizing different operating systems since it influences the final result of sales. Affiliate marketing has adapted to all these changes for mobile devices to survive in the medium. All those who refuse to invest in web design for mobile devices can lose a lot of money when it comes to generating internet sales. After viewing this video, you should understand the main trends of affiliate marketing. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.